Looking to transform your shoots into masterpieces? Hello and welcome to another episode of 2 Minutes Posing Saturday. In just 2 minutes, we'll cover everything you need to know about posing, lighting, camera settings and retouching. Ready? Let's go! Today's pose is a stunning backlit setup that beautifully highlights our model's profile, especially her legs, her bum and her back. We ask our model to kneel in front of the bed, placing the knee closer to the light source near the bed and setting the other knee slightly back to form a small triangle between her thighs. The elbows and upper body are then positioned on the bed, ensuring that her torso, neck and head remain upright as she looks forward. Once again, our beautiful large windows serve as the light source and we shoot with natural light. Finally, I ask her to point her toe, rotate her pelvis back as much as possible to enhance her feminine shape. Let's talk about camera settings. Since we're working with backlight and we want to protect the highlights and the white points, I shoot with an aperture of f1.8. The shutter speed is set at 1/200 of a second and the ISO are set at 100. Looking to improve your photo poses? Grab our free posing guide from our app and start creating magazine-worthy shots today. We begin our editing process by adjusting the white balance, which is crucial even for black and white photos as it affects the conversion to black and white and thus the overall look of the image. For such backlit poses, I always opt for a black and white look, and the quickest way and the easiest way is to select one of our beautiful presets now available in our app. Our preset pack includes 21 customizable presets designed specifically for portrait, boudoir and nude photography. We then focus on exposure, brightening the entire image by 1.5 stops. I always shoot slightly underexposed in camera to protect the white points. Finally, I adjust the crop and the upright, and just like that, our stunning boudoir photo is complete. Thanks for watching 2 Minutes Posing Saturday. Join us next Saturday for another episode. And if you enjoyed this, check out the next video here. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.